Hayi bafethu, someone is missing here. Kushoda umuntu oyi-1. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is number 44 bafethu? Number 44 ukuphi? Lo muntu uyahamba vele bafethu. Is Mbokazi really leaving? No. Something is up. Injured, or Pirates is taking him out of the limelight, because there's been rumors, and beyazi ukuthi when into bakhuluma ngayo kakhulu, you get distracted. Umbokazi maybe is distracted. Hayi bafethu. No, there's no way. Are you telling me Pirates are starting life without Umbokazi? Life without Umbokazi? CM Asibisi, he's not even on the bench.